Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I did a tutorial today on this look here and it is inspired by the weather that is currently happening outside my window, which is also why there's terrible lighting this entire video. I'm really sorry. But it's currently very gray and gloomy and snowing big fluffy snowflakes, which I'm not a huge fan of. Winter, not my thing. It's cold, I don't like it. I much prefer warmer temperatures, so this weather has been making me feel very blue. So I did a blue look for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy this look, so if you want to see how I got it, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off, I'm using the Kat Von D Metal Matte palette. I'm going to start off by grabbing Bone, which is this shade right here. And I'm just grabbing a Sigma E50 brush. And I'm just using this to set my base underneath the brow bone and just to above the crease. I'm not setting the lid with this. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Suede right here. And I'm using a Sigma E35 to just blend this into the crease. And I'm kind of taking it just above the crease and using just windshield wiper swipey motions to go just from the outer corner, and I'm bringing this pretty far into the inner corner as well. Then I'm gonna go into the color Oak right beside it here, and using a MAC 217, I'm just going to bring this on the outer corner and into the crease as well, but just a little bit below where we put the first color. And if you feel like you need to diffuse any of those edges a little bit more, you can just go back in with the other brush and blend out those edges a bit. I honestly have no idea if this is blended because I can't see anything because it's very dark outside today. My lighting is crap. So this probably isn't going to be blended at all, but that's totally fine. Not a big deal. Okay, next I'm grabbing a Sigma E55 and I'm just taking some Fix Plus and I'm just going to give it one spritz. And then I'm going to be going in with this color right here called Nebula. I'm going right from the inner corner and then up into the crease and all the way to the outer corner as well. Just so you don't get nearly as much fallout. Pat it on the lid as opposed to swipe it. I'm not in focus whatsoever. Hello, there we go. Also, place your brush down where you want the heaviest deposit of pigment first, so that's right in the middle, and then you can go in towards the inner corner and the outer corners. And then next I'm grabbing the Sephora Pro Drawing Brush and I'm grabbing the color Jet here, which is just black. And I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner. And I'm just kind of creating outer V sort of shape here to deepen up this corner. The thing I love about this brush is I can get a precise placement of product but also have it blended out at the same time. I don't have to go in with two steps almost and use a pencil brush to put the product on where I want it and then go in with another brush to blend it out. This I can do both at the same time. There is cat fluff in my eyeball. I'm also just gonna go back in with the deep brown color we used earlier and I'm just going to help blend the blue a little bit more, just the edges. Now going back in with the same brush we used to apply the blue color, I'm just grabbing a little bit of MAC's Teal Reflex and just popping this right in the center of the lid, and I'm tapping so I don't get much fallout. I also barely put any product on the brush, just kind of what was extra in the lid of that, as opposed to dipping right into the pigment and getting a lot of product. It just kind of gives a little extra sparkle. So next I'm just popping a little bit of black liner just along the lash line. You can use any Kohl black pencil liner, just so when I go to apply lashes, they'll help hide the band and it will make the lash application look a lot more seamless. Doesn't have to be perfect because you don't really see it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to pop on mascara and lashes and then we'll do the rest of the face. Okay, so I'm just going to start off, oh, by the way, I use the Velour Fluff and Wispy lashes, in case y'all were wondering. They're my favorite lashes ever in the entire world. I just love how big and fluffy they are, and I feel like they really go well with really bold looks, so hence my choice of those lashes. I just put some strobe cream on this Sigma F55 brush, and I'm just going to put this all over. One, my face is dry because it's winter, so my face needs all the moisture it can get. So any kind of cream, I'm like, gimme, 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 gimme. But also, I want to have really glowy skin. And then this will also act as a bit of a primer too. And I've really taken a liking to using a brush to apply primers to my faces, just because I feel like it's a little more sanitary than my hands. And I feel like my face doesn't get as red, because when I'm rubbing primer on, it seems to like really irritate my skin and it gets really red, whereas if I'm just using a really light fluffy brush, I don't get a ton of redness in my skin. Oliver came to join. Okay, so I'm just taking some MAC Face and Body, the usual, and I'm currently the color C2 because I have a tan. I'm also putting this on my lips just to try and cancel out some of the pigment in my lips, because I know I want to put a nude lipstick on, and I find it just turns out a lot more true to color when I put foundation on my lips. Don't forget to blend it down your neck as well. Okay, concealer, I'm just grabbing the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Aqua Concealer. Is it called Aqua Concealer or is it called Aqua Sealer? I can't remember. It's Aqua Sealer. I didn't shake it before use, and it said on the bottom that I should, but oopsie. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend this out. Holy moly, it's snowing outside. Oh my god. I was gonna go out there, but now I don't think I'm going to. Okay, so next I'm going to contour, but when I do a really heavy eye look, I don't usually like doing a really heavy contour as well. So I'm just grabbing my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Medium Plus, which is just a couple of shades darker than my skin tone. And I'm just using a MAC, the numbers rubbed off, so I could not tell you what. I think it's it's either a 125 or a 135, I have no idea. And I'm just using this to kind of contour my face a bit. I just find when you do a really heavy eye look, it starts to look too much if you do a really heavy bronzer, contour, or whatever. So I like to keep my contour a little bit lighter when I'm doing these sort of bold eye looks. And I just usually put this all over my neck too, for funsies. Anyways, I'm going to move on to blush. Okay, so for blush, I'm just taking the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Parté. This was the birthday gift from Sephora for 2017, and it's my new favorite blush. So I'm just going to pop this on the cheeks. I've been applying my blush a little bit kind of higher up on my cheeks lately. I just feel like it's a little more flattering for my face shape. And then whatever's left over on the brush, I've been putting on my nose. Just kind of warms up the whole face a little bit, I find. Okay, I'm gonna go back and finish up the eye look. For underneath the eyes, I'm going to go in with Jet and Velour. I'm gonna mix the two together, and I'm just using a Sigma E20. So just a short shader brush. I'm just kind of dabbing into both of them. I guess I could use this mirror. Holy moly, this mirror is huge. And I'm just going to smudge this on the lower lash line. I'm just bringing this about halfway in as well. My cat is honestly being the cutest right now. He is demanding belly rubs from me. Next I'm grabbing just a pencil brush, and I'm going back in with that dark brown color, and I'm going to smudge this out and also bring that in a little bit closer as well to the inner corner. And then I'm going in with a MAC 221 brush, and the first color that we used was a transition shade. I'm just going to use that to blend everything out. And then I'm using the CoverGirl Clump Crusher mascara, and it's waterproof one I'm using for the bottom lashes here. Okay, so next I'm going in with the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and I'm going in with the color Orion here, which is the blue one. I'm going to use this on the inner corners as an inner corner highlight. Stick with the blue theme we got going on. Holy cow, it is like really snowing outside now. It's like the perfect day to do this wintry look. Okay, I'm actually gonna use this same palette to highlight. I'm going to not use this brush. I'm going to use just a tapered highlighter brush, and I'm going to mix Orion, Luna, and Spectra. So the white, the purple, and the blue, I'm gonna mix them together and put them all over my face. Whoa. Just gonna take a little bit just above the brow bone, and then I just use my pinky finger here to do a little bit on the tip of the nose, and I like to do this upper bridge part as well, and then also the Cupid's bow. And then I'm just gonna go in with my brush to blend those so they're not just like dabs of highlighter on my face. And then whatever's left on my brush, I go on my chin. Okay, last but not least, I am going to put on lipstick. I'm just going to take Strip Down Pencil by MAC. I'm gonna take the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Undressed and pop this on my lips. Alright guys, so that is everything. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like, I would like it if you would. If you would like, please subscribe. That would make my entire world if you would do that for me. Also, if you really like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments down below, and I will definitely do that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!